Here comes Caviar Claus. The holidays are approaching and it's time for joy, celebration, and the finest feasts. No matter what you're celebrating, the key to a festive holiday is a table filled with delicious gourmet treats. But remember, the holiday season also brings delayed shipping and unexpected closures. Don't let this spoil your festive plans. Imagine a holiday dinner without that special touch. You don't want to be left in the cold with an average meal. The solution is simple and smart. Order your holiday seafood and caviar early with Global Seafoods. By ordering early, you ensure that your holiday table is not just ready but spectacular.
With early orders, you can relax, knowing your holiday feast will arrive on time, fresh and delicious. Don't be left out this holiday season. Visit Global Seafoods and make sure your holiday celebration is extraordinary. Order now, and let Caviar Claus make your holiday special.